Hey, this is not your mama's epilator. This is an IPL device by Wavytalk, and I am going to show you how this works. I did receive it as a gift from the company so that I could try it out. I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to do this step by step, but I want to tell you a couple of details about this first. You do plug it in, and it comes with this razor, which we're going to talk about that in a minute because it's really important. And then it comes with these glasses because of the light that is emitted from the end of this. And then sometimes your skin can warm up and this can warm up, and so it's got this cooling device that you put that rubs on your skin as well to kind of help with that. So the other thing that's really important that I want to tell you about is the manual. I read it cover to cover. It's got a lot of really important information. I'm going to do some of the highlights, but it's going to be important for you to read this so you know exactly what you're doing. So there are certain shades of hair and shades of skin that are more recommended than others, and you're going to find that in this book as well. So be sure, and as you're looking and researching this, be sure that you're looking to make sure that this is something that will work for you. So now let's dive in. I'm going to show you how it works. I am not going to point the light directly at you, so you may or may not see the light coming out. We're going to look at a couple of things here first. I do have it plugged in. There's an on-off button and there's a mode button. And the mode button means that you can use this in different areas. So you can use it on your, like the lower half of your face. You can use it under your arms. You can use it on your bikini line. And of course you can use it on your legs. So check the manual and make sure you're on the correct mode for the body part that you're doing. As far as men are concerned, don't do a man's face. You could do like their back and their arms or whatever, but men should not do their face. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna hit the power button and I'm gonna hold it until it turns on like that. And continuing to hit the power button will cycle through, as you can see, 1 through 5. And then the mode button is for the different areas of your face or your body. Again, it's in the manual, so make sure you're taking a look at that. So, and then we've got a button here that does the flashing. There are flashes. You're going to see some flashes, so just be warned about that. Okay, you're just going to slowly rub this on your skin, and as you move from section to section, you'll push that button to cause the flashes. That gets down to the root of the follicle. Very, very important to remember. You need to have smooth, dry skin. No hair, no lotion, no oils. This is not an epilator. It's not grabbing hair and yanking it. It's getting right to the root of the follicle. And be sure you've got those sunglasses on so that you don't damage your eyes with the flashes. And then to shut it off, I'm going to long press the power button and it's going to cycle down through to 0. So again, the really important things to remember about this is your skin needs to be hair-free, clean, dry, no lotions, no powders, no oils, okay? And then make sure you're on the correct mode for the body area that you're doing. And then also, please, 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 please read the manual. It's got everything you need to know, and be sure you're checking your skin color and your hair color against the grid inside the book to make sure that you are using it appropriately. And also I wanted to tell you it comes with this bag and it comes with this cloth that you can wipe that screen with. So very cool. Like I said, not your mama's epilator. It doesn't rip the hairs out of your skin. It gets to the root of the hair follicle. Thanks. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.